How to fix Roblox error code 280. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So let's dive right in without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. First of all, go to the Play Store, tap on the source icon. Now tap on the source icon at the bottom right corner. Then tap on the search bar. Now type Roblox. Then tap on search. Now tap on Roblox and make sure to update to the latest version. If any update is available, simply tap on update. Now after updating, go back to the home screen and open up settings on a device. Now scroll down and click on apps, then go to app management. Now find Roblox. Now tap on force stop, click on force stop and then go to storage usage. Now tap on clear data, tap on delete and restart Roblox. I hope this should fix your issue. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.